Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Wednesday, May 26th. The time is around 2:30 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of the IBEX. This is a uh, equity index from Spain. We can see right here that we ended with 3 in the minor degree here. The pullback ended with 4 exactly at the 100% extension, so we got this blue box right here. So if any of the members bought the blue box from this area, then the position is already in profit now as it has continued to extend on the upside. Now with discount here, what this means is that we are extending within the wave 5 now, and within the wave 5 we have this 1 2 and then possibly another 1 2, so we are calling for a nest. Since this one looks to be a little bit too shallow to be the end of wave 3 here, you can see in the extension here it does not reach 100%. It doesn't even reach the 100% yet. So and we did get a break above this previous peak here in this last low, this last high here is above this previous peak. So we are now calling it as a 1 2 and another 1 2, since we continue to make a high sequence here. So we are calling it for more upside, and as a result any pullback to find support in 3 7 11 swing against this wave 2, but more importantly against this wave 4, against 8804 for further upside in the IBEX. Alright, so that's the idea here. Now looking at zooming out a little bit, now remember this 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 here. This is the 4-hour chart, the same 3 and 4. This is the 1 and 2, so we are within wave 5 here right now. And we can see right here, so far we only have 3 swings from this wave 4 here, right? So far, if this count is correct. Now let me show you how the alternate can be. So basically, if this is 3 and 4, this is kind of the 1 and 2. So we're talking about 5 ways up from January 28. 1 2 3 4. We are within the wave 5. Now if this proposed placement is correct, then that means that we should be looking for at minimum one more push higher, because we need to be ending wave 5 as a 5 waves. We so far only see 3 waves. So if this placement is correct, then we should be looking at minimum one more push higher, if not more. Okay, so that will be the idea. Now what can be the alternate? Well, if we are within wave 5, we should see a divergence at the peak. We did see, we do see a divergence. In fact, it's multiple divergence, right? We got multiple divergence here. So it is possible then the alternate suggests that we are ending with 5 already at the recent peak, and then if so, we could be starting to do a bigger pullback to correct this entire rally, right? So how would you be able to count it so that it ends the 5 waves? Well, if you count it this way, then I don't think it ends, because you cannot end with 5 in 3 waves here. It looks like a 3 wave. So I think one way to kind of adjust is simply moving your 3 and 4 here. So you place the internal here 1 2, right? So you can call this as a expanded flat, and this could be your 3 and 4, right? It could be your 3 and 4 and 5 ending. So the 3 and 4 ends in this level instead of ending at the the location that we are proposing here. This 3 and 4 here could be ending in 3 and 4 here based on the 4-hour chart. Now if that's the case, then this 5 ways up could in fact be your entire wave 5 already, and then if that's the case, then we should start correcting, selling off like this. But what is the chance this could be happening? I think it's quite low, and the reason being, even if this is the count, you notice here this wave 5 looks very short. Just take a look at the distribution and the time required for this 1 and this 3, even if this count is the right count, and then this 5 way too short compared to the 1 and 3. So even if this is the right count, it is still possible we are only ending 1 of 5 with a 2 of 5 and continue to go up 305, 405, 505. So whether you use discount here, whether you use discount 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, like this, 1, 2, and another 1, 2 again, or you adjust the count, calling this 3 and 4. Again, the 5 seems to be too short, so it can extend higher. But this count here, technically, there's nothing wrong. Let's say if it ends 5 ways up here, even though the 5 is too short, yes, not ideal. But this, there's nothing wrong if you count it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending it here, and then suddenly starts to correct this entire rally. Okay, but for now we prefer to take the side of the pulls, right? There's no reason to speculate for topping out or anything like that, so we are taking the sides of the bulls, and any pullback, therefore, since we continue to make a new high, should be supported in 3711 swing for the upside. All right, so if you do want to get regular updates on the indices, forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the YouTube video. So see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.